Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the NCLEX. First, familiarize yourself with the next generation NCLEX exam format. This includes understanding the new question types like clinical judgment items and extended multiple response. Next, develop a structured study plan that fits your lifestyle, allocating specific times for content review and practice. Finally, assess your current knowledge to pinpoint areas needing more attention, ensuring efficient study time. When reviewing content, prioritize core nursing concepts that are frequently tested. Don't just memorize facts, understand the why behind each concept. Incorporate a variety of study materials, such as comprehensive review books, online lectures, and flashcards to reinforce learning. Engage actively with the material by summarizing, teaching others, or creating your own study guides. This deep engagement helps solidify your understanding for better retention. Practice is paramount for the NCLEX. Dedicate significant time to answering a high volume of NGN-style questions, focusing on those that test clinical judgment. After each question, thoroughly review the rationales for every answer choice, not just the correct one. This helps you understand the reasoning and identify knowledge gaps. Practice applying your knowledge to complex patient scenarios, simulating the critical thinking required on exam day. As the exam approaches, take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to build stamina and manage anxiety. Ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain a healthy diet in the weeks leading up to the exam. Your brain needs to be well-rested. On test day, arrive early, stay calm, and trust your preparation. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.